Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create video background sections in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, log in into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins, then click on add new and search here Elementor. And install this Elementor plugin and activate, and after that go to your page which you want to edit. So I want to add a video background to my home page, and here is my home page. So I'm going to edit, so I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. And then click on this plus icon, and from here select a structure. So I'm going to select this first structure, and then click on this little settings icon, and from here page layout select Elementor full width, and now click on this little plus icon, and I want to add a heading. So I'm going to drag this heading here, and typing my text here. And I want to change the font color to silver, and the text alignment will be center. Okay, now again click on this edit section, and now content width, select here full width, and then height, click here and select fit to screen, and now click on style and click on video, and here you have to put YouTube video link, and then here you can see a video background has been added, and you can change the font color again from here. Okay, also you can make a background overlay for the video, black color. Okay, and you can play with the opacity, and when your edit is finished, click on update. And now let's see the final preview of our website, and here you can see a background video section has been created. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.